And then the benefits of cloud delivery. So again, this is across both, whether you're selling an application or modernizing your own internal application. You've got lower adoption costs, lower operating costs. You can reduce your technical requirements, and you lower the cost to serve your organization with regards to that application, because a lot of that heavy lifting is taken by Azure itself. And that allows you to either reinvest or cut your operational costs. You reduce complexity. So upfront infrastructure costs are removed, ongoing support. Obviously, the less that you do as part of that infrastructure around that application, the less support elements there are with regards to that. You're able to integrate new cloud services. So by modernizing an application to a cloud native state allows you to then take advantage and leverage other solutions out there that can be used in conjunction with it. And then, as we've said, or as I've said, in terms of AI, leveraging aggregated data. So having everything within the same place, within the same footprint that's close together, allows you to open up new data points and also develop and optimize those data points. So being able to, again, use AI, for example, to really understand how people are using your applications to guide development, for example, is a key thing and a key benefit of looking at that. And then looking at, again, this is more focused on ISVs, so recurring revenues. Security and governance is a huge piece there, so having maintained security and governance, and this obviously applies to anybody looking to modernize their application. Microsoft spend $1 billion per year on security and governance. So again, having those security baselines, those governance policies out of the box within Azure massively can help reduce costs. Can help with regards to audits, for example, if you're in particular regulated industries, being able to just show somebody something, a tick in the box to say that your technology meets the requirements of those governance accreditations is fantastic. It allows you to access new markets. You can operate in various locations around the globe, attracting more customers, and also helps you to improve service satisfaction. So being able to provide reliable, highly available applications that meet the needs of the customer is something that really is hugely beneficial. You optimize your infrastructure, and you also can basically increase your development life cycles by essentially using the tooling that helps and using things like infrastructure as code that will enable you to faster and increase those development cycles as time goes on. Won't spend too much time on this slide because it's general benefits to Azure. Most people already know this. So helping to improve your cash flow, so transitioning from CapEx to OpEx. Your technology use is highly flexible, so you can pick and choose what you use within Azure, obviously with it being on a usage basis, and you can adapt to market trends in terms of scaling. And scalability is huge within Azure, so you can increase and decrease workloads. This is something that's obviously quite significant. If you're looking to sell applications, how much do you actually hold in terms of infrastructure as your customer base expands and contracts? This is something that's automatically taken care of, obviously, with Azure, and is also automated in the sense that it will scale as you need to. And this has huge implications on performance and costing as well, and obviously your profit margin if you are selling applications. And also the key thing there is all of those benefits allow you to reallocate internal resources to other business projects. So whether that's cash, whether that's individuals, whether that's particular skills, you're able to reallocate and reinvest elsewhere and introduce new values to the organization.